Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. This is a 2 LED headband illuminating magnifier. I cannot tell you, I need this so desperately. It's crazy. So let's open it up, see what we get inside. And I do a lot of, I have a lot of watches. I do a lot of different like watch repair, band sizing, battery replacement. So it's going to give you your directions. So I was pleasantly surprised when I stumbled across this. Yeah, absolutely, positively a necessary thing to have, especially in my household. I have a couple daughters, sons, they have watches, jewelry, I mean, you name it, they have it. So you get two different bases here. And what I mean by that is you can use two different magnifying. So this is going to be your 3.5 times. So you can put that up here in front. Now I smudge it all over the place. And then you can get a 1-time magnifying and put it back here. So you can basically just fold them down out of your way, and then whenever you need. So that's like the 3.5. It's got a cool sizable headband. So let me just expand it. My big head. So that expands really easy. Okay, I didn't realize my head was so big. Alright, so then you can tighten it down. And then, since I have some glasses, I can fold this one up out of the way. And then I can put that there. And then I have good magnifying. So that's usually 1.5 times. So you can put this one up out of the way. And then you have your other lens that you can bring down. You snap that out. Put that back in your box. And then you have that nice, super close magnifier. Oh man, that's awesome. Alright, so give you a general idea how that works, and then you can flip it out of your way. Someone comes in, starts talking to you, you got it there. And that's not it. You have a light on top of here. I think I'm going to have to remove the, yeah. You can just push this out so you can definitely zoom your light out further. And then let's open it up so we can actually get to the battery compartment, which is back here. And this takes, looks like, is it AA? No, it's going to be your AAA. So let's stack these batteries in here. So that is going to be the bottom battery. Okay. And then put 2 more. One here on top. And good to see this. My last magnifier had it had like watch batteries, and you would go through those batteries so fast. So this one is more for professional use. So you can have a nice longer battery life on that. So I'm going to turn that on. And that is a very good light. That is absolutely phenomenal. I'm so happy I got this. Okay. Let me see, you can move your light back if you wanted to. You got to push down that telescope out. I had it all the way in. You can telescope it out. So you can put more concentrated light into your area. And that magnifying is like perfect. So if you have to look at something detailed for a long period of time, that is definitely the tool that you are going to need. So I like that you can pop these in and out depending on what magnifying that you need. So let's go through them. So you have your one time. Then you have your 1.5 lens that goes in there. You got your 2 times. You got your 2.5, and then your 3 time. And this one comes like super useful if you are working on it. Those really small pieces so I can get you really close up. Like I say, you can put your other lens in here as well. And then now you have a super magnifier. And you can position those to get you a great view of what you're looking at. But nice, and it gives you a different variety that you can use. Very cool. Okay. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal with your very cool new magnifying piece. Okay. Be safe out there.